Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Extreme Super Show, brought to you by OTT Over the Top Wrestling. Main event time as Ryan Smile, Pete Dunne and Jigsaw battle it out in the OTT Money in the Bank ladder match. I am Paul James alongside Danny Cole, and we're calling the action here. It's going to be fast and furious, as all three men known for their speed, their aerial tactics. Danny, this is a huge match here.
Absolutely, first time ever ladder match here at Over the Top Wrestling, and all three of these guys want that shot at the Money in the Bank, because that means any time you want, you get a shot at the NLW Championship.
Super kick by Pete Dunne to kick things off on Ryan Smile, and that's him out. Jigsaw now with the chops and the kicks to Pete Dunne. This one has started off fast and furious. Jigsaw, of course, his first time here in OTT Wrestling. What a big win it would be for him to take home that Money in the Bank briefcase as he floats over Pete Dunne, and he took him right over there with that Hurricane Rana.
Jigsaw over from America, of course, and Ryan Smile and Pete Dunne, two mainstays at Over the Top Wrestling.
Absolutely, Pete Dunne and Ryan Smile from Birmingham, the UK, and Jigsaw from the US, obviously, as he's look at the speed and the fast-paced action here. It's hard to keep up with the action already.
Jigsaw likes to call himself from the Bermuda Triangle, if I remember.
That's what he says. I'm not quite sure he actually is from the Bermuda Triangle, as he takes over Ryan Smile in a double nip-up. Hang on, watch this side there. Pete Dunne is back in. A kick to the midsection on Ryan Smile. Kicking away there. Knife edge chop by Pete Dunne on the chest of Ryan Smile.
Breakneck speed of this match already.
We're only a couple of minutes in, and this is the pace. They are setting the pace already at the main event here, and it's all on the line. That OTT Money in the Bank briefcase. Leapfrog by Ryan Smile. A second leapfrog goes down. Pete Dunne off the ropes. A leapfrog again. Oh, what a side lariat there. Leg lariat by Ryan Smile, one of the most popular superstars here at OTT Wrestling.
And you can tell why with the speed and agility of what he does.
Absolutely, and you can see there he's trying to get the crowd behind him. He loves when the crowd are behind him. The crowd love him. He loves the crowd. Bouncing off the ropes here and went for something there.
Whoa! Double sunset flip from Jigsaw.
All three men are down now in this Money in the Bank ladder match here at OTT Wrestling. Jigsaw, of course, he's been in Ring of Honor. He's been in Dragon Gate. He's even been in TNA Wrestling for a time, known as Rubik's there. This guy has been around. He is a veteran in the ring, trained by many names in the wrestling business. Have had a hand in training Jigsaw, among them Marty Jannetty and Ted DiBiase.
Wow. And now, among the many accolades he's held in his career, he's looking to add one more notch to that belt, looking for the OTT Money in the Bank.
He was going to try and go up that ladder early there, but Pete Dunne stopped him.
The unstoppable Pete Dunne. He hasn't had a loss yet at OTT, and will this be his first?
He was stopped there by Ryan Smile. Every member of the match trying to get that briefcase, as you see our ceiling cam there. Ryan Smile climbing up. He wants to grab that and get that shot. Hang on a second, Jigsaw pulls him right down. Jigsaw going for a second attempt to get up that ladder. Pete Dunne looks like he's going to try and stop him, and he does. Shot to the face. He's trying to get rid of Jigsaw out of this match.
Now Pete Dunne climbing the ladder. It's like a standoff almost. All three of these men just pulling each other off the ladder every time they try to go up.
Each man wants that briefcase. They want that opportunity to cash in whenever. And hang on a second, Ryan Smile. Oh, he goes over the top rope there, right on the throat. And it's going to take him out for some time. Jigsaw with a kick to the face on Pete Dunne.
Wow, double stomp to the back of the neck almost of Pete Dunne.
Down with that double stomp. Absolutely, and we're only a few minutes in to this match, and already the pace has been unbelievable. As Jigsaw is the only man left standing in the ring. He's going to reach down for that ladder. Let's see if he can set that ladder up, climb up to that top rung and grab that briefcase. Hang on, Ryan Smile is up, and it's a little bit of a tug of war now for the ladder. This is going to go wrong for one man, and it's going wrong for Ryan Smile. The ladder straight into the midsection, crushed into that corner. Jigsaw's going to run up the ladder.
Wow.
What a kick to the face there with such force. Ryan Smile looks to be out of it to me. Maybe Jigsaw can capitalise on this and climb up that ladder and get that case. Let's see if he can do it.
I don't think he has the Money in the Bank briefcase on his mind at this minute. Setting up the ladder in the corner.
Turns his back on Pete Dunne. The unstoppable Pete Dunne is in.
Oh my God!
Right on. Oh my God!
That is bone meeting steel. There's no give whatsoever in that ladder.
Dunne just backdrop Jigsaw right onto that ladder. That looked so painful. And Jigsaw, you can see there, he's out at the bottom of your screen. Oh, hang on a second, reversal there. Back elbow by Pete Dunne. He's climbing up that ladder.
Dunne going?
He's got something in mind. Oh, hang on a second. He went for a moonsault, missed.
Whoa!
Unbelievable. Ryan's smile. Almost it changed position in midair to hit that cutter on Pete Dunne as he goes to the outside here. He needs to be setting up that ladder though. He needs to be getting the ladder. You hear the crowd chanting for Ryan's smile as Jigsaw hits him with an uppercut there, stopping him in his tracks. What's going to happen here? Two men up high. Pete Dunne still on the floor. They're trading blows to the rib area there. And hang on a second.
Oh my God, what is Pete Dunne doing?
Pete Dunne has Jigsaw. He's got him in a waist lock as Jigsaw battles out with those back elbows and a kick. Oh, he hits him with a kick right to the head. Something's going to happen here. Oh my God, a Hurricane Rana into almost.
Dunne tried to powerbomb Smile from the Hurricane Rana.
It looks like Pete Dunne just kind of thought on his feet there, and as he saw Ryan Smile coming towards him, he just thought, I'm going to powerbomb him, and he did. Quick thinking by unstoppable Pete Dunne as he turns his attention to Jigsaw as they trade forearms here in this Money in the Bank match at Extreme Supershow, brought to you by Over the Top Wrestling here in the Tivoli Theatre in Dublin, Ireland. As Jigsaw there with those vicious shots.
Dunne
tangles himself up in the ropes. Jigsaw didn't quite know what to make of it.
Good, and Jigsaw in.
That's it. Dunne outsmarted Jigsaw. A kick to the face of Ryan Smile, and one for Jigsaw too. Unstoppable Pete Dunne.
Double super kick.
That's it. Ryan Smile and Jigsaw returning the favour there to the unstoppable one, Pete Dunne. One of these men will climb that ladder and get that briefcase, and they will get a shot at that No Limit Wrestling Championship at any time they want over the next year. That's what it's all about here in the main event at OTT. And Jigsaw to his feet, Ryan Smile to his feet, Pete Dunne on the outside, obviously conked out from those two super kicks by Jigsaw and Smile.
Both these fan favourites just trading blows at one another.
Ryan Smile, a 9-year pro, making his debut back in 2006 from Birmingham in England. As Jigsaw has the upper hand here. Oh! Straight through the ropes onto Pete Dunne, and oh my God, it looks like Ryan Smile went headfirst into that second or third row of seats as well. He took himself out. He was aiming to take out Pete Dunne, and he did, but he also took himself out. This could be an opportunity maybe for Jigsaw.
If I was Jigsaw, I'd be setting up that ladder and grabbing that briefcase right now.
Absolutely, but he's not. He's coming. What's he doing? He's setting up for something. He's going over that top rope. Oh, he takes out two men. He takes out both Ryan Smile and Pete Dunne.
Wow.
And now nobody is in that ring. Unless our referee Niall Fox wants to grab that ladder and climb up and take that briefcase, but I don't think so, as all three men lay out on the floor here at OTT.
Jigsaw back on his feet already.
Jigsaw even with that impressive aerial maneuver there, coming over the top rope, twisting in midair and taking out both Smile and Dunne. As you see our ceiling cam once again looking down as Jigsaw, the man billed from the Bermuda Triangle, going for that ladder. Can he set it up? Can he climb? And can he get that briefcase? What a debut this would be for Jigsaw here in OTT Wrestling.
Set that ladder kind of slightly off centre from the briefcase. What's he thinking here?
He's probably not thinking straight. I mean, let's face facts. He's just taken an unbelievable amount of punishment. He could think that ladder is in the middle, as we see Ryan Smile now climbing up as well. Smile back to his feet.
Quick recovery after that. Suicide dive through the ropes into the second rope.
Swings a punch and takes down Jigsaw. And as you can see on the outside, Pete Dunne's got a second.
A bigger ladder by the looks of things.
Yeah, that thing is huge. Ryan Smile doesn't want any part of that. Coming into the ring, both men kind of tug of warring here once again for the ladder.
Yeah, the ladder's set up in between the current one in the ring and the top rope.
It looks like that ladder is inadvertently done by Ryan Smile there as he takes out Pete Dunne with that vicious kick to the face. Jigsaw's back to his feet in the corner. Ryan Smile's going to take care of that, taking out wait a second.
What a counter by Jigsaw, kicking the ladder into the face of Smile.
That could have knocked Ryan Smile out. Jigsaw up top, what's he looking for here?
Whoa!
Oh, he just drop kicked him right in the corner.
Coast to coast, over the ladder into the face of Smile. And Pete Dunne is even in shock.
You see the instant replay there of that coast to coast drop kick. And Jigsaw is out. Ryan Smile is out. What is Pete Dunne's situation? Is he coherent enough to get in there and set up that ladder? Unbelievably, Jigsaw is back to his feet. This could be his opportunity to climb that ladder. He's going to leave that second ladder set up as it is.
He's using it as a balance.
Maybe a little bit easier for him to climb up and get that briefcase as Pete Dunne back to his feet. And he's trading punches. He's trading them with Jigsaw right now. And he just headbutt followed by a kick. And right
Smile!
Smile with a frog splash on Jigsaw, on the ladder. That's going to hurt everybody.
Ryan Smile's patented finisher. He's finished off many men with that frog splash, and now he just hit Jigsaw on top of the ladder.
There you see the instant replay. Ryan Smile coming down with such force onto the body of Jigsaw, onto that ladder, and that's going to hurt everywhere. Pete Dunne
picking up the pieces of what's left.
This could be Pete Dunne's opportunity. He's kicking both men out. Jigsaw is hurt. Smile hurt himself on the frog splash. This is Pete Dunne's opportunity to grab the briefcase. Which ladder is he going to use? He's just going to lean that one in the corner, I think, and then he's going to go and set up that other one and climb it and get the briefcase. Getting one ladder out of the way, absolutely. That's exactly what he's doing. He's going to climb up there right now. He's going to try and get that briefcase.
Stop with Pete Dunne. Who's that coming? Is that Smile?
That is, in fact, Ryan Smile crawling right under the legs of the referee, and he's locked eyes with Pete Dunne right now. Dunne realizes he's up too high and
some shit creep. Back into that steel.
Dunne hits that ladder with force. Maybe Ryan Smile can now capitalize and get that championship opportunity by grabbing that briefcase that is hung high above the ring here in the Tivoli Theatre in Dublin. You see Jigsaw making his way back inside the ring. I think the fans are very much behind Ryan Smile here. They'd love to see him grab that briefcase.
Smile getting closer and closer to that championship opportunity.
Smile has it. Wait a sec. Jigsaw is back up to his feet. Back in
to the face.
Kick to the face. Enziguri to the face. Or to the back of the head even. What's he going to do? He picks him up. Brainbuster on Ryan Smile. That's going to leave him out of commission. This is the opportunity for somebody, Jigsaw or Pete Dunne, if he can get to his feet, to get into that ring, climb that ladder, and snatch that briefcase.
Back of Smile's that coming down hard on that canvas.
Somehow,
he's still moving.
Somehow he's not knocked out. I thought he was going to be knocked out. I thought that was going to do it. I thought he was going to be out cold after that.
Jigsaw climbing to the top turnbuckle.
Somehow Smile is still going. Smile takes Jigsaw out with a kick there. And wait a second. Pete Dunne has just slid in. They don't know. A low blow by Pete Dunne.
Of course, no disqualification here.
Absolutely not in this Money in the Bank ladder match here at OTT. And what's going to happen here?
What is he thinking?
I think I know what he's thinking. He's going to powerbomb Ryan Smile, and in turn Ryan Smile is going to suplex Jigsaw off the top rope. This could well be the nail in the coffin for both Smile and Jigsaw. Let's see if Pete Dunne can get that ladder and get that briefcase.
And Dunne, he has to find the ladder. It's back out inside of the ring.
I think that's exactly what he's doing. He's under the ring. What's he looking for?
The ladder's right
here?
there. What's he doing? Oh my God.
I don't know if this is a smart move by Dunne. This could have been his perfect opportunity to go up and get that championship, but instead he's reached under the ring and he's got a table.
Dunne just wants to hurt people.
Well, that's it. This is OTT Wrestling. This is over 18s only. Invited into the Tivoli Theatre once a month here in Dublin. And this is the type of action that people expect as done. And the referee.
Referee Niall Fox. I'm not sure if this is.
Well, he's giving him a hand.
Yeah.
Why not? What's he got in mind here for the table? Is he going to put someone through? Maybe he's going to put Niall Fox through. No, just give him a little nuggy there. Hang on a second. He's got Jigsaw. Looks like he might be setting him up for a power bomb.
Jigsaw
through
right to the table.
The table. Up he
God.
goes.
Jigsaw slipping out. Oh my God.
Super kick right to the face of Pete Dunne. Ryan Smiler's on his feet. Back elbow. Nip up. He didn't catch him with the elbow. Hits him in the back of the head with a kick. What's he going to hit next?
Like the Matrix.
Ryan Smiler's unbelievable, and the fans here at OTT absolutely love him. They'd love to see him walk away. Jigsaw's got his fans too. Hang on a second. Canadian Destroyer on Pete Dunne by Ryan Smile.
Right on the top of his head. His neck could be broken right now. Do you see how he landed off that?
Ryan Smile has it. Ryan Smile has this one won. He has this match won if he can just set up the ladder and climb to that top rung, grab that briefcase. He has this one, as they say, in the bank, in this Money in the Bank ladder match. Taking a little bit of time setting up that ladder.
Dueling chance, both for Ryan Smile at the minute for him to climb that ladder and grab the briefcase.
If Smile can do it, he's entitled to a shot at the No Limit Wrestling Championship at any point over the next 1 year. He can cash it in at any point. Hang on a second.
Jigsaw, look at Jigsaw!
Jigsaw with the drop kick from the top rope, knocking Ryan Smile right off that ladder. Maybe Jigsaw can do it here. Maybe Jigsaw can climb up to the top of that ladder. Wait a second, what's he doing? He's moving the ladder into position. Referee Niall Fox holding the ladder there. That ladder's taking
fingertips away from the briefcase.
That ladder's taken as much punishment as the competitors.
Oh my God.
He doesn't
Dunne.
know it. He's gone through that table.
Oh my fuck. Pete Dunne powerbombing Jigsaw straight through the table.
And I keep saying it. I keep saying this is the opportunity for Jigsaw. This is the opportunity for Pete Dunne. But the competitors keep coming back in. And right now Pete Dunne has maybe one final opportunity to get out. Hang on a second. Ryan Smile's climbing the other side. Both men at the top. Smile almost has it. Our ceiling cam catching all the action here. I think Jigsaw's done. Jigsaw's done. He's gone through that table. I think it's between Smile and Dunne at this point as they just trade blows and headbutts. Look at the two guys go on the top of the ladder. Someone's going to win this war, and then someone's going to win that briefcase. Hang on a second. Both men looking like they made a
Smile smacking his own face, trying to get himself back into it. Dunne's down.
Smile has this one. Smile has it.
Smile on the top of the ladder. Both men are down.
All Smile has to do is reach up and unhook that briefcase as he feeds off the crowd here at the Tivoli Theatre. Maybe one more step and he can reach.
Just grab it, Ryan.
Unhook that briefcase. Hang on a second. What's he doing here? He could have it.
Smile.
He has it won. Why isn't he taking it, Danny? Why isn't he taking the briefcase? Why isn't he unhooking that and getting that opportunity?
He's just pointed at Dunne. Ryan Smile, in an effort, he's all about the fans. He's trying to please these fans, and I think now it could be one of his biggest weaknesses. He could grab the briefcase right now, but he's focusing on Dunne.
Well, he could grab the What's he doing? He's going to splash. Grab the case first and then do the splash, Ryan Smile. Please, everybody. Splash off the ladder onto Pete Dunne. He hits it, bounced off Pete Dunne there, hitting that frog splash with such force.
Both men are down. Climb the ladder, Ryan.
From the top of that ladder. Let's see what he can do here. Now he's going to get it.
All these fans cheering on Ryan. He's fingered. What the?
How's Pete Dunne up?
Pete Dunne! Pump handle! It's the move that's won him every single match he's competed in so far at OTT. He just hit smile.
Jigsaw is still out after that vicious powerbomb through the table.
How the hell is Pete Dunne climbing that ladder?
If Pete Dunne can get up there nice and quick, I think he could have this one won. Ryan Smile is on the outside. He seems to be out of it. Jigsaw is still out of it after that vicious powerbomb. He is just seconds away. Hang on, Ryan Smile's back. Ryan Smile's back in. Can he do it in time? Pete Dunne unhooks it. Can he unhook it?
Dunne's got it. Dunne's got it.
Can Dunne unhook that briefcase? Yes, he can. Pete Dunne wins the OTT Money in the Bank ladder match. Pete Dunne is unstoppable.